I'm going to show you how to steal this $10,000 a month method where you're going to install AI into local businesses and you can make anywhere between $300 to $500 per local business. The best part is it's 100% beginner friendly and you can copy and paste this method for every business that you help. And my favorite part about this method is you're not selling your time, you're using this AI software to do all of the hard work for you. Now, don't worry, I don't have a $1,000 or $2,000 course that I'm going to sell you on how to do this step by step. As a matter of fact, I have a free community that's going to walk you through the entire process. I give you my scripts, my templates, and I even give you weekly coaching. That way you can implement this method as fast as humanly possible. But I'll explain how you can get access to this at the end of this video. If you're excited to get started, say, I want freedom down below. Let's get it. All right. So the company that we're going to model is this company called Birdeye. Now, I'm going to show you exactly what they do and how you can do the exact same thing using this unfair software. Now, the cool thing about Birdeye is these guys are a multi-million-dollar company that we're going to go ahead and model ourselves. Again, I'm going to show you how to do this as a complete beginner. So I don't want you to look at this and get overwhelmed, but let me just show you what they do and then I'll show you how you can apply it as well. Okay. Now I'm going to go over here to show you some of the things that Birdeye does. All right, so these are just some of the services. As you can see, reviews AI. So basically helping local businesses get more reviews. And then we have social AI, basically social agents that create and schedule posts, basically further social medias. And you can do this on autopilot. All right, going down over here, we have a Chatbot AI. So this one's really cool. So if you've ever been to a business website, it's basically a little chat on the bottom right, essentially like an AI chat that answers questions. So let's just say a customer goes to a plumbing site and people are asking like, hey, can I schedule a call, or what time are you open? The chat AI can actually do all this for them and help these local businesses not have to be doing the chats themselves. And then we have things like mass texting, mass emails. These are going to help local businesses get more leads, get more sales. And more importantly, if these businesses have a promo, they can go ahead and let people know and communicate with their past clients. Now, one of the main things that Birdeye does, and what I'm about to show you, is helping local businesses get more leads, get more sales. Now, at the end of the day, if you can help businesses do that, it doesn't really matter how much you're charging them as long as you're getting them results. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can get them more leads, more sales using AI and this unfair software. But I do want to mention the pricing that Birdeye actually charges. Now, they actually make it really difficult to actually go and see the pricing. You actually have to schedule a call to actually go and do this. But I did some digging and I found the pricing. So typically with this growth model, they charge about $449 per month, okay? Which seems like a lot, but again, you're helping local businesses actually get value, get more leads, get more sales, automate their systems, use AI, right? Schedule out their posts. So it's 100% worth it to these companies because they want to be able to focus on their craft or having to market or having to post every single day on social media. So this is really an amazing deal. And I'm going to show you how you can charge as well. But I just want to show you the pricing here. And then of course with Dominate, this is about 500 plus a month. Now with this Dominate plan, it gives people even more, such as the Chatbot AI. All right. So I know you're wondering, okay, so how do we actually make money with this? How do we actually do this? Again, I have a free course coaching step-by-step processes. I'm going to give you all the templates, but I just want you to understand this 3-step method. Okay. So essentially what we're doing is we're creating this AI lead agency, again, helping local businesses get more leads, get more sales, and more importantly, automating their business. Okay. So step 1 in this process is contacting local businesses. Again, think your dentist, your chiropractors, your realtors, any type of service-based business, okay? So we're gonna contact these businesses and then we're gonna show them a simple AI system on how they're gonna get more leads, more sales. We can even use this AI software to build them a website, to send email automations, to send text automations, and essentially just make their life easier. There's another thing here that you can do. It's called missed call text back. Now, essentially what the missed call text back is let's just say someone calls a plumber and they need them to come out to their house. Well, typically the plumber is actually out doing the work and they don't have time to take calls. So with the missed call text back, they'll get an automated text where they'll say, hey, I'll I'll contact you later, I'm out on a project, or they can simply schedule an automated callback. That way, that plumber or service-based business doesn't lose that sale. And then step number 3 in this process is simply get paid, right? If you can help local businesses get more leads, get more clients, and help automate their actual business, automate the social media part, they will pay on the low end anywhere between $300 and $500 a month. And then if you do even more services, we've had clients charge up to $1,000 and $3,000 a month, which we'll talk about that later. Now I'm gonna show you how to actually install this simple AI system and this unfair software, but I want you to think about how much you could make with this process. Even if you're a complete beginner, you have no experience, you don't know how to contact these local businesses, we're gonna show you how to do that inside our free community. But I want you to think, right? If you can charge $500 a month, you have 10 clients, that's $5,000 a month. That's enough for at least most people to be able to quit their 9-to-5 job. Maybe that's not the number for you, maybe it's $10,000 a month, but I really want you to think about it, right? We're installing this simple AI system that's doing 95% of the work, and you're just essentially making semi-passive income. Now, of course, you still have to contact and communicate the local business owner, but as long as you're getting them results and the AI software is doing it for you, then really they're never going to stop paying you as long as you're getting them results. Again, at the end of this video, I'll show you how you can access the free resources, the coaching call, and the course, and my templates to do all of this for you. All right, so the software that's going to do all of the work for you is called GoHighLevel, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works and how you can literally just plug and play for these local businesses. Okay, now this is my version of GoHighLevel. It's called Funnel Freedom. So the cool thing about GoHighLevel is that you can actually have one account, but then have all your clients under you. And the cool thing is when you have a GoHighLevel account, you can have multiple people under you, right? So for example, if I click this drop down menu, I can have all my clients down in this section here. Let's just say you have local plumber business number 1, that would be here, or you have a chiropractor, then you have them under you. Now, the cool thing is you pay the monthly fee, but then you can charge these local businesses essentially whatever you want, right? $300 to $500 a month or up to $1,000 a month to do the services for them. Okay, so let me just show you something real quick. You're gonna really like this. So if you go to sites, we've preloaded literally thousands of templates already. Okay, so if I go to where it says websites here, I'm gonna go to where it says new website. Okay, now check this out. If I go to from templates, we have thousands of templates that you can use already. Okay, so let's just say you want to help a plumber, right? So let's just say plumber. So I'm going to type that in. There's already a done for you website that you can go ahead and install. So I can go ahead and preview this. And the cool thing is that you can contact these local plumbers and say, hey, check this out. I've already built you an entire website that's going to help you get more leads, help you get more sales, all that good stuff. Now, not only can you create these websites in seconds using the templates, again, you can also create these AI chatbots, right? We have these chat widgets that can actually go here. You can install this inside the plumbing business. And now this AI chatbot is actually talking to customers, scheduling calls, and doing a lot of the hard work. That way the actual service provider doesn't have to do it themselves. Now, here's another cool feature that I absolutely love, and this is a game changer for these local businesses. It's called the missed call text back, right? So let's just say, again, you call a chiropractor, they don't answer the phone. Well, you can have this missed call text back where it says, hey, sorry, I missed your call, but I'm going to call you back. I'm with a customer right now. And again, you can add whatever you want. You can customize this, but this is an absolute game changer because so many local businesses lose business because they can't go and answer every single phone call. So this will automate that system as well. Now, I'm excited to show you how to actually implement this step by step, and we want to coach you through this absolutely free. The only thing I get from this is when you use the actual software, the one I just showed you, then I get paid as an affiliate. But in return, I'm not charging to actually show you how to do this. You get my course absolutely free, but more importantly, you get the coaching calls and the community to go with it. So I'm going to leave a link down below to get access to my community. And inside that community, that's where you'll get access to the step-by-step course to show you exactly how to do this. You get all my templates, you get all my DM scripts, how to contact these local businesses. That way you can know how to do this for yourself. So I'm gonna leave that down below in the description. Also, if you wanna try a free trial, I have a 30-day free trial of this software, GoHighLevel, which I will link down below as well. But more importantly, make sure you join my community because we're gonna coach you for free. We're gonna give you the course for free. We wanna help you start this business because I believe it's a game changer and it could help you build a semi-passive business to achieve financial and time freedom. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you inside our community, and God bless.